I'm here with PolyScience President Philip Preston to talk about the new DuraChill Benchtop Chiller. Thank you so much for being here.
Well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
You must be so excited about the launch of this new product.
We are. It's been a long road, and it is so exciting to have this finally coming to market.
I'm hearing words like revolutionary, game-changing. Is that how you describe the product, Philip?
It's redefining what a benchtop chiller is in this market. The cooling applications, benchtop chillers are used in rotary vacuum evaporators and small distillation, and I think this is going to raise the bar.
Now, you took a while to launch this product. How come?
Our reputation's on the line here. And also, we're breaking a lot of new ground. And that always takes a tremendous amount of time in validation of every component. And this chiller is available in various capacities, but also we're having a variation of it that will be available with natural refrigerants.
There's a long history of innovative thinking at PolyScience. Walk us through that process and that journey.
Well, we're always looking for how can we really improve the customer's experience with our products. A lot of times that's driving the reliability and durability of these products and really pushing the envelope on what we can do to make it the absolute best product we can.
What does a benchtop chiller of this caliber mean to the entire industry?
I think that it is going to provide that reliable supply of temperature-controlled liquid to your application, but make the experience a little better. You're sitting next to this thing day in and day out, and we've done everything possible to reduce the noise levels so you're not sitting with the constant drone of loud fans and pumps. Additionally, it has this beautiful full-color touchscreen display, so at a glance you can see everything about the temperature of your application.
I hear four words consistently when I hear PolyScience: quality, durability, reliability, and made in America. Let's talk about those principles and why that's so important to you in PolyScience.
We really look towards our quality program as something that truly differentiates PolyScience from the other manufacturers out there. We have to be a little better. And I'm extremely proud of the fact that we're building these products here in the US. You know, a lot of times people look elsewhere for what's the absolute cheapest product I can buy. We're looking for more of a long-term value proposition.
Let's talk about the intricacies of the benchtop chiller too. Now, how cold can this one get?
There are various configurations of the product, but we have configurations that will go all the way down to minus 30 centigrade.
What sorts of applications can this help?
Well, a very common application for a benchtop chiller is going to be a rotary vacuum evaporator, but all types of small cooling applications where precise temperature control liquid is needed.
I think this is a perfect time to talk about PolyScience's commitment to the environment. How important are natural refrigerants to customers and to the environment?
We're seeing that modern refrigeration systems are incorporating natural refrigerants, and really this is the culmination of a multi-year project for PolyScience to invest millions of dollars in new production lines to accommodate the charging of natural refrigerants. This is something that is important to us as an ISO 14000 certified company, demonstrating our commitment to the environment. It's also something that is of strong personal commitment for me.
Let's talk about the UV light system as well.
The UV light system really evolved from regulations that are starting to limit the amount of algicide that one can put in the waterways. Even if it's just a small impact, we want to be on the forefront. And so we've equipped these products with a UV light system that will control biological growth in the circulating system.
You touched on some of the components already of the new product, so tell us about some of the features that make the DuraChill Benchtop so special. Why don't we start with the liquid level sensors?
One of the things that we wanted to do was provide a extremely reliable liquid level sensing system that could show the customer on the display how much liquid is in the reservoir. And so we utilized a highly reliable system. We use a capacitance liquid level sensing system that really ensures that your application is at the right liquid level all the time.
You mentioned this as well, the small footprint. It's very important both for the product and for the environment.
We recognize lab bench space is at a real premium. And so our objective was keep the product as small as possible while packing that little footprint with as much power as we can.
One of the coolest features, I think, is the diagnostic self-test. Let's talk a little bit about that.
This is a patented feature that we're very proud of because it's extremely difficult for a customer to test the cooling capacity and performance of a chilling system. And so what we've done is we've created a diagnostic system that it learns what its capabilities are when we build the chiller, and at any point during the chiller's life, it can go back and recheck itself against its performance when it was born.
So Philip, how does this help the customer?
It really lets the customer know that the chiller is functioning exactly as it's supposed to. It's checking against its specifications and performance when it was born. And so our goal is that we can hopefully help the customer to find the problem in the application and not just ship a chiller back only to find out that that wasn't the cause of the problem.
So we've mentioned the liquid level sensor, the small footprint, the natural refrigerants. What else does this product contain that we need to know about?
Well, I think the most noticeable feature that will be in the Benchtop DuraChill units would be the large full-color touchscreen display. It will be available for the customer to configure it in many languages, and it will provide all of the information of pumping, temperature, and diagnostics just at a glance.
How important is innovative thinking to PolyScience when it comes to product development?
Innovation is absolutely critical to our success in that the combination of an extremely high quality product, but also bringing customers features that they haven't seen before that really make the overall experience better. That's our overall goal, is to make the chiller the thing that is just the workhorse. You don't think about it, it's just there taking care of its job.
You really create your products with the customer in mind. So how important is customer feedback to you and to PolyScience?
It's absolutely essential. Our customers are sharing their application challenges, but additionally, we're gleaning a lot of information from customer returns. If we see a unit come back under warranty, it really is going to drive corrective actions or even engineering solutions to prevent any future occurrence of that return.
How important was ease of use when designing this product?
I think these things should come out of the box and you should be able to turn it on, set the temperature, and all of this should happen just in a totally intuitive way.
I think I can see why, but it took 3 years to bring the Benchtop to the marketplace. Why so long?
The biggest reason is our reputation's at stake. There isn't that opportunity to release a product and then fix it. It has to be spot on when we release this.
Philip, this product is going to be a game changer for the cannabis industry. Tell us how.
The cannabis industry really needs that extremely reliable rotary vacuum evaporator chiller, and this is going to be the workhorse that provides maximum yield for them. I think the cannabis industry is learning that the Made in America, high reliability is an extremely important aspect of ensuring that they get product out the door and not suffer downtime.
Is the Benchtop chiller the coolest in the industry? Coolest and coolest in the industry.
It certainly is. It's the most thought out, really looking at the design of this product from what is going to provide the absolute best user experience.
PolyScience continues to win award after award after award. Congratulations, first of all, but what's your secret?
I always use the expression of, it's not the new button on the dishwasher kind of an approach towards design. It is bringing real features that have a real impact on the user experience. We are super excited to launch the Benchtop DuraChill. I think we'll continue to raise the bar in the temperature control industry.
I'm PolyScience proud.
I'm PolyScience proud.
I'm PolyScience proud.
Philip, what does it mean to be PolyScience proud?
It means building products that have a new level of innovation, the highest possible level of quality, and built right here by a wonderful team of people in Illinois.
And you're changing the world of chillers again.
We certainly are.